Holy shit, I'm actually back. I'm not dead. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you. It's been a busy year. So new job, mainly new job. But either way, I'm back. We're gonna do something. It's not gonna be super fun. It's not gonna be super crazy. But it is important. So, yeah. That's what we're doing today. Seeing this is my first video in a while, I'm gonna start off easy and we're just gonna do a super sensual, no, not sensual. I need to clean my chainsaw either way, so I figured why not film it and put it on YouTube, because I just need to get started again, you know? And remember kids, it's important to clean your tool if you want to use it. It's not 100%, but neither am I, so kind of evens out. At least it's not my dirtiest tool anymore, so go ahead and leave some stupid ideas for me to, I don't know, build, try, whatever. I need some inspiration. So I'm pretty excited to see what you guys come up with. I'm also a bit terrified, but either way, let's see what comes in the next video. Bye-bye.